Did your Xiaomi or Redmi phone become slow after HyperOS update and feeling laggy, apps opening slowly, scrolling not smooth? Don't worry, I will show you the best fixes step by step. Fix 1. Turn on performance mode. First, go to settings, scroll down and tap battery. In battery, from current mode, change battery saver to balanced. Now look for performance mode. Go back to the home screen, open a few apps and test the speed. Sometimes after an update, phone switches to balanced mode and limits performance. Fix 2. Now let's remove update junk files. Go to settings, tap storage and then tap on storage. After that, scroll down and tap on cleaner. Then wait a little bit for scan the total cache files. After that, hit cleanup. And then your cache file is deleted from your phone. Fix 3. Reduce animation speed. Now we will make the phone feel faster. Go to settings, tap about phone, tap HyperOS version 7 times until you see you are now a developer. Go back, tap additional settings, tap developer options, scroll down and find Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, tap them and change them from 1x to 0.5x. Now go back and use your phone. You will notice the phone feels instantly smoother. Fix 4. Factory reset. If the phone is still very slow, first back up your data, then go to settings, scroll down and go to about phone, then tap factory reset, then erase all data and then confirm. After reset, set up the phone fresh. Do not restore all app add-ons. This removes deep system conflicts caused by major HyperOS updates. But one more warning, before factory reset, make sure you have backup your all data, because after this, your all data will be removed. And that's it. Your Xiaomi phone speed should improve now. If this fixed your lag issue, then like and subscribe for more real Xiaomi fixes and share with your friends who are facing the same. Comment your Redmi model below. I will reply to everyone. Thanks for watching.